In this video, we'll show how to use the AmpCon-DC Management Platform to automatically deploy overlay services through network element orchestration. Log into the AmpCon-DC Management Platform. From the top navigation bar, go to Service Provision Logical Networks. On the Logical Network page, click plus Logical Network to create a new logical network. Enter the required information and click Apply. Once the creation is successful, click the network name to enter the network topology page. Click Logical Switch, fill in the necessary information, and add the logical switch. Next, click Logical Router, enter the required information, and add the logical router. Then click Virtual Network, fill out the parameters, and complete the virtual network creation. After all components are created, click each icon and use Add Connection to establish links between Logical Switch and Logical Router, Logical Switch and Virtual Network. Enter the required details to complete each connection. You can click on Logical Switch or Logical Router and access device management to view more details. You can also drag and reposition elements within the topology view to optimize the layout. Visit fs.com for more information about AmpCon-DC Management Platform and Data Center PIC OS switches.